Kuala Lumpur International Airport is Malaysia's main international airport and one of the biggest airports in Southeast Asia and worldwide. It is located in Sepang district of Selangor, approximately 45 kilometers south of Kuala Lumpur city centre, and serves the Greater Klang Valley conurbation. KLIA is the largest and busiest airport in Malaysia. In 2018, it handled 59,988,409 passengers, 714,669 tons of cargo and 399,827 aircraft movements. It is the world's 23rd busiest airport by total passenger traffic. The airport is operated by Malaysia Airports Sepang SDNBHD and is the major hub of Malaysia Airlines, MAS Cargo, AirAsia, AirAsia X, Malindo Air, Fly Global, UPS Airlines and Asia Cargo Express. The groundbreaking ceremony for Kuala Lumpur International Airport took place on 1 June 1993 when the government under Mahathir Mohamad decided that the existing Kuala Lumpur Airport, then known as Sabang International Airport, could not handle future demand. The construction of the airport was done mainly by a few state-owned construction companies as well as Ekawast Berhad, made by Tan Sri Datuk Lim Kang Hu. It was created as part of the Multimedia Super Corridor, a grand development plan for Malaysia. The chief architect who designed the new airport terminal was the Japanese architect Kishore Kurokawa. Upon KLIA's completion, Sabang Airport's Terminal 1 building was demolished. Malaysia Airports agreed to redevelop the remaining Terminal 3 to create a specialist airport for turboprop and charter planes surrounded by a residential area and a business park. The ITA Airport Code Kul was transferred from Sabang Airport, which currently handles only turboprop aircraft, general aviation and military aircraft. Sabang Airport's ITA code has since been changed to SZB. The airport site spans 100 square kilometers of former agricultural land and is one of the world's largest airport sites. An ambitious three-phase development plan anticipates KLIA to have 3 runways and 2 terminals, each with 2 satellite terminals. Phase 1 involved the construction of the main terminal and 1 satellite terminal, giving a capacity of 25 million passengers, and 2 full-service runways. The Phase 1 airport had 60 contact piers, 20 remote parking bays with 80 aircraft parking positions, 4 maintenance hangars and fire stations. Phase 2, designed to increase capacity to 35 million passengers per year, is largely complete. Phase 3 is anticipated to increase capacity to 100 million passengers per year. Kuala Lumpur International Airport was officially inaugurated by the 10th Yang di-Pertuan Agong Tunku Jafar of Negeri Sembilan on the 27th of June 1998 at 20:30 Mountain Standard Time, a week ahead of Hong Kong International Airport and in time for the 1998 Commonwealth Games. The first domestic arrival was Malaysia Airlines flight MH1263 from Kungan at 7:10 Mountain Standard Time. The first international arrival was Malaysia Airlines flight MH188 from Mail at 7:30 Mountain Standard Time. The first domestic departure was Malaysia Airlines flight MH1432 to Langkawi at 7:20 Mountain Standard Time. The first international departure was Malaysia Airlines flight MH84 to Beijing at 9 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. The inauguration of the airport was marked with problems. Aerobridge and bay allocation systems broke down. Queues built up throughout the airport and baggage handling broke down. Bags were lost and there were waits of over 5 hours. Most of these issues were remedied eventually, though baggage handling system was plagued with problems until it was put up for a complete replacement tender in 2007. The airport suffered greatly reduced traffic with the general reduction in economic activity brought about by the 1997 Asian financial crisis, SARS, bird flu epidemic. Lufthansa and Northwest Airlines terminated their loss-making services to KLIA. KLIA's first full year of operations in 1999, in its Phase 1 manifestation, saw only 13.2 million passengers. Passenger numbers eventually increased to 21.1 million in 2004 and 47 million in 2013. Though short of the originally estimated 25 million passengers per year by 2003. Kuala Lumpur International Airport has 3 parallel runways, a first in the region. The aircraft movements on these runways are monitored by two air traffic control towers, Tower East and Tower West, given the span of the airport. ATC Tower West, standing at 133.8 meters, is currently the tallest ATC tower in the world. The current 3-runway system is capable of handling 78 landings per hour and is expected to increase to 108 landings per hour once upgrading of the Kuala Lumpur Flight Information Region is completed in 2019. These runways operate on different departure-arrival modes according to the air traffic requirements. KLIA features a number of modern design features that assist in the efficient operation of the airport. It is one of the first Asia-Pacific airports to become 100% barcoded boarding pass capable. Malaysia Airlines, AirAsia, MAS Cargo, a cargo airline, and Malay